Hi, welcome to the 3D Pen Den. When you get a new pen, of any kind, you naturally just start writing with it. So let's do that. But since we have a 3D pen, we can do what the other pens cannot, go 3D. Let's look at 5 super simple hacks on how to make your script jump from 2D to 3D. Here are the first 5 basic concepts. You can go as simple as starting with your own handwriting, or use printouts or design your own lettering, but more about that later. As with any 3D pen writing or drawing, it is easiest to start in 2D and worry about the third dimension separately. Make sure you are working on a surface with good adhesion. I'm not going to go into the details since I already have 2 videos on that subject, which you can find down in the description. Also, make sure at this point the lettering is safely attached to the line at multiple points. Stands can take many forms. Here are 3 options just to get some idea. Let's start with an aim and the simplest lines continuing onto the perpendicular plane. Flourishes is age-old calligraphy trick to make things look ornamental. But here it actually serves as an useful construction element. Can be as simple as an oval or as complex as you wish. In the 3D pen workshops, we start by writing our names. And people invariably ask me, what if I have a letter that goes below the line in my name? And I say, perfect, lucky for you. Shadows is a lot like making the stands in method 2, but it's a logical and super useful solution, so I thought it deserves a separate mention. use block letters, and I mean real 3D block letters, not just bold font. We will start with bold font and then give it a second parallel layer with as many connections as necessary to get the letter stable. Great bridging practice, going from top to bottom with gravity and landing on the solid surface, which makes bridging easier until you get a hang of working in space. Just in case you are losing track, here is a super quick recap of the 5 ways to 3D lettering. These 5 hacks help solve many complex problems that will come up when you start writing in 3D, which gives you a lot of new design options, but also some new design problems that typographers and calligraphers working on a flat surface just don't have. But that will have to be the next video. Until then, go and write something.